Almond and soy milk are plant-based milk that can be used by individuals who are lactose intolerant or who choose not to consume animal products. Soy milk is a good choice as it has a similar protein content to cow's milk and more protein than almond milk. It also contains healthy polyunsaturated fats. Almond milk, on the other hand, contains less protein but is lower in calories than soy milk. It contains healthy monounsaturated fats. Most plant-based milk is fortified with calcium and vitamin D, important for bone health. Almond milk has the fewest calories, 30 to 50, but also the least protein, 1 gram per cup. Soy milk also includes phytonutrients known as isoflavones, which have been shown to combat cancer. Soy milk contains polyunsaturated fat, which is good for your heart. Almond milk and soy milk are both good choices for a plant-based beverage, although they both have additives and extra ingredients like gums and sugar. Soy milk does get a bad rap because most of the time the soybeans used have been genetically modified and may have had pesticides used on them. Some people avoid soy because of the estrogenic effects. So I suggest buying almond milk. Be sure to read the labels and buy unsweetened.